Hi, I am Laia, and together with my colleague Berta, we are geotechnical engineers on the project team. There are a number of things we are responsible for. First, we implement DAARWIN into your projects, whether it's used for optimizing the structures or construction procedures or assessing their risks. But we are all about customer service too. We are here to guide you through using DAARWIN. We can clear up any queries you might have, or help draw conclusions from your data. Plus, we gather and analyze your feedback as part of our mission to keep improving our platform. Utilizing our geotechnical design expertise, we collaborate with our product teams, Web, Samba, and Gris. This ensures that DAARWIN is a unique tool for engineers everywhere, making their work more efficient and effective. So, whether you are tackling a complex project or just getting started with DAARWIN, know that we, the project team, have got your back every step of the way.